Welcome to Apache Kafka mini series episode 2. In this episode, we will learn how to install Kafka on your local. Before you run Kafka on your local, you should have Java installed in your system, and you should have some utility to untar the files that we will download from the Apache Kafka's official website. If I go to Apache Kafka's official site, you can see I have a binary downloads available here. So I can either go for 2.13 or 2.12, whichever version is the latest for you. You can click on that. Once I'll click on uh, this version, then I'll see my download link. If I click on this download link, the Kafka will be downloaded to my machine. Now I have a tar file available with me. So now I need to untar the file first. To untar the file, you need to write a cmd command. So just do a tar -xvf and then your tar file name. All right. So if I give my tar file name here, you can see the file is successfully extracted. Okay, you can see the tar file is successfully extracted. So I have changed this Kafka 2.13-3.020 to Kafka for my convenience. So now if I open this particular folder, I can see all the files. Now to run the Kafka on my local, right, I need one broker server and I need one Zookeeper server. All right, this is a minimum requirement to have a Kafka cluster on your system. So first I need to start my Zookeeper server. I need to create one Zookeeper server, and then I need to create a Kafka. Basically, I need to start one broker. So together they'll make a Kafka cluster. All right. So now there are two primary changes that we need to do. So the first change is whenever we start a Zookeeper server or we start a broker server, then what happens is all the files that this server uses, it store those files in a certain location. All right. So I need to change those locations basically as per my convenience, because I don't want to use the default ones. So all I need to do is I need to go to this zookeeper.properties and server.properties file, and I can change, or I can create any folder and I can name that folder in those files. All right. So here I have created a data folder. In the data folder, I have created a Kafka folder and a Zookeeper folder. Now, if I go to my configuration files, I can see in Zookeeper properties file, I have given the folder which I have created. I have given log directory as a location to this particular folder. And if I go to server.properties, you can see I have already given the directory which I have created to this location, log.dirs. All right. So to run the Zookeeper server or the Kafka server, you need to have two files, the bat file and the configuration file. So configuration file we have already changed. Now how we can run the Zookeeper server on our local. Okay. So go to your main Kafka directory, do a cmd here so that you'll be in the main Kafka home location. Now all you need to do is do a bin, and then in bin you have a Windows folder, and in that Windows folder you have all the bat commands. Okay. So all you need to do is zookeeper-server-start.bat, and then you need to give a respective configuration file for it. Okay. So do a config and then zookeeper.properties. If you do a enter here, then you will see it has created Zookeeper server for me. All right. Now I need to create a Kafka server again. So what I'll be doing is I just do a cmd again. It will open another command prompt for me. Now in the same fashion, how we have created this Zookeeper server, now we need to create a one broker server. Okay. So what we will do is we'll do a bin / windows / Kafka server start, and then I need to give a respective configuration file for it. So I'll do a config server.properties, and if I do a enter here, so again now my Kafka server is also started. Okay. So to create a Kafka cluster, my Zookeeper server is up and running, my broker server is up and running. So now we have started our one Kafka broker and our Zookeeper server. So now we need to see, we need to verify our installations. So to verify our installation, just create a topic, and if the topic is getting created, it means your installation is successful. You have successfully created one broker and one Zookeeper, and you can now send data to your Kafka cluster. Okay, so to verify installation or just to create a Kafka topic, you need to run this command kafka-topics.bat file, and then you need to specify your bootstrap server, and then you need to specify what is the number of partitions or replication factor you want, and what is the topic name that you need in your Kafka cluster. Okay, so now if I go here, if I go to my Kafka home, I again need to go to the bin directory, bin windows, and then the command that I need to create. So now I can name my Kafka topic as Kafka demo. All right, once I press enter button, okay, so it has so it has given me a signal that Kafka topic is created. So it means our installation is verified, and our Zookeeper server and our one of our Kafka broker is up and running. So alright guys, so thank you very much. In the next session, we will certainly see how to set up a GUI to see our Kafka cluster, all the cluster related details. So see you in the next session.